Quickfix mic latency on Bandlab desktop. I'm going to show you how you can quick fix mic latency on Bandlab desktop. Click on the Tools menu at the top left of the studio. Select the latency test. Unplug your headphones and click Start Test. Unplug your headphones, find a quiet location, and set your volume level to a comfortably loud level. Tap on Start Test. If your test results are within the 0 to 30 ms range, then you have a much more manageable latency which you can monitor via headphones. If not, it is best to stick with the current result and not engage in monitoring. If you've noticed unusually high latency numbers or can't seem to get the latency results right, we recommend a manual adjustment to change the value offset for the latency fix. Once you've completed your initial test and found that there are issues, please select Advanced. Now, set the manual adjustment setting to the number shown on the latency test result. Tap on the Save to save the changes.